In this video, I'm going to talk about how to format your references in Word. It's a very simple thing to do, but a lot of people aren't sure how to do this. And although I would suggest that you actually use a program that is a citation manager software like Zotero or Mendeley, and I have another video about that, so watch that. So I'm going to show you how to do that here in just a few seconds. So in Microsoft Word, you might, instead of having things look like this, they might actually look more like this. Because maybe this is how you've written it, and you already had it indenting or something, but you really need it to look with this hanging text format. So to do this, you just simply go to Format, Paragraph, and this little window pops up, and there's this first line by 0.5 inches might be there, or it might say nothing, or you might have left. Make sure left and right are 0, and just select hanging by 0.5 inches, and then click OK, and it will do that. So if you want it to do that for all of them, just make sure you select all of them, and it will adjust it for you. And that is all there is to it. So hopefully this helps you figure out this really simple thing that you can do.